Hello and welcome to Candy's Crafty Closet. Today I have a treat for you. We have a beautiful Alice in Wonderland that I created. This was a special request from my aunt. She saw the Alice Takes a Walk journal. If you haven't seen that flip through, I will link it right up here. But this one is going to be for her granddaughter. She loves Alice in Wonderland and especially loves the tea party aspect of it. So I did tea party on the spine here, and I did her initials with some pearls and some pretty little delicate hearts. And this one slides up and down where she can fiddle with it. And this one has a little teacup, or not teacup, what is that? The kettle, and then some more beads with hearts. And then I put a few sprinklings of hearts all around the outside of it as well. This is Timu's take on Alice for this pack here. I think she is still gorgeous, so I went ahead and included her. It's absolutely beautiful paper. So let's get into it and see what's hiding in these pages. Oh, I lined around the edge with some ribbon, and I went down the seam here, and you can't really see it, but there is fallen hearts down the center of the spine here. Let me see if you can kind of see it here. See the hearts, and they're all upside down where it's like fallen hearts falling down the rabbit hole. So I started this off with this sign here. I thought this was a perfect way to start the journal. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my kids. They're playing games in the next room. But this says, "For the curious and the mad." And I just love the way this looked, and the little teacups. We went very heavy on the teacups with this one here. I put some delicious sweets because this is for a preteen girl. And so I tried to keep this elegant, but still with a little bit of, you know, like still a childlike feel to it. That's why I incorporated the little hearts. This heart here, I tied it in a way that it's always going to stay facing up with the little key. And this can be moved around as a bookmark. I will show you where this is connected. We did some stamping. I love this gold paper that I included. There's lined paper and computer paper and vellum also included in this. Oh, I need to put a string on this little tag here. And then we did a few little tickets in this little heart pocket here. I did put a little journaling card inside of our envelope. Then we have a little mini bookmark. This beautiful doily that I thought went with the paper. And then we did Chocolate Express, a little journaling card. And here's a large one with the twins on the back. This one I left plain. You will see there is more blank spaces in this than I usually leave because I want her to be able to decorate this. I have a feeling that she is going to want to make some of this her own as well. We come to our first center image. Isn't that lovely? We put a little clock here, and then the other string is our bookmark. More lined paper, themed paper, just a big page for her to decorate on. This is a double pocket here with a playing card. Some of these are stickers. If they feel a little bit thicker, then I'm going to tell her, you know, those are stickers that she can use to decorate places. And like that one is a really big sticker. Isn't that a cool image? And the queen. Oh, and I forgot. If you pull everything out of this pocket, there's a rabbit just poking out. So I thought that that was a cute little hidden feature that she could discover. I love the gold, and you can tell that this has caps on it because it's for graduation, but still, I think it went with this beautifully. Some more lined paper, that gold paper. Got some more lined paper here. Some different journaling tags, some more stickers. You're Entirely Bonkers. I think she'll like that one. We made a little bitty booklet. I'm not going to open it, but it's just got lined pages and then some of that brown paper that I love to use in my journals. So, and it has an elastic band so she can switch out the pages or add more if she would like. And there is enough room in between these, since I put it on the very outside of the signature, that she can still get to it. I loved this. We're all mad here, and so I made a pocket for another bookmark here. We have a little pocket here with some stickers and journaling cards. And then that flap comes over. We have Alice sitting having her tea party. There is some stamping throughout this. I just haven't come across one of them. Probably going too fast. We have another sticker and a little tag there. Some more tags here. Curiosity often leads to trouble. Thought that was a good little sticker. Get you little kids getting into trouble. Another themed page. Beautiful center image. Oh my gosh, look at that. And this I bound from the outside, and so my strings I started from the outside, and that's where this tie came from. So there are none on the inside of this one. We did a little bit of stamping on this envelope with another card inside. A little weekday planner thing. Another journaling card. Big journaling card. This here, I left it blank because I want her to decorate this page, and I gave her some elements here to do so. I gave her a little, what is this? This isn't lace. Is it lace? No, it's not. Crochet. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Some kind of doily heart. I'm going to call it a doily heart. Some extra hearts. Some extra journaling tags. This cool rose. This cool mushroom. And then a doily so she can be creative and make this her own. Got a little stamping there. Some more just plain pages. Alice. Some more cool pages here. This is a sticker as well. And then I just did a small thing here where she could journal on this page because it was very dark. She can add more to this one if she would like as well. You can see more of those fallen hearts. We have a postcard. And some journaling tags. That one's got a cool owl on it. I loved this one. It's supposed to be like her mom or her nurse, whatever it is that's in the beginning of the movie with her. I forget what it is. I want to say it's like just the lady that looks her teacher, maybe? I don't know. More plain pages. I haven't watched Alice in Wonderland in a while, I will admit. We have this big journaling card here that is a postcard, and it says it's from Wonderland. We made a pocket to nestle right there, and we have drink me because Alice has grown and she needs to shrink back down. This cool little feature, again, I left it blank with just the Cheshire Cat because I wanted her to be able to decorate this, but I liked that I'm in no obligation to make sense to you. I loved that. I thought that was so funny. And for a little kid to have in their journal, and like her grandma might not like that, but I thought it was cool. Then some journaling tags up there just to make some use of that space. Our final beautiful center image. We have the bunny with his clock and this chessboard. I thought these images were so pretty. And we did the string here with the rabbit on it, and he can slide up and down. And then the outside, this hangs on the outside because it's a little bit bulky for the inside of the journal, so I just made it where it hangs over the spine. curiouser and curiouser. This little feature I thought was so cool, but I didn't know what to put on the inside of it, and I didn't want to make a choice that she didn't like. So again, I left it blank where she can do what she wants with this, but I loved the way that this page turned out. It's so pretty, in my opinion. And another little journaling card there. Did Alice walking down her road, trying to find her way through Wonderland. The other side of that page with the teacher on it. We're gonna call her the teacher. This one's thick. Why do you feel so thick? Another playing card, Alice. And then to end it, we have some more little, one sticker here, one little tiny journaling card. She could add in things here with the dodo bird. You don't see this very often in the stickers and stuff. So I was happy to see him. That and the Cheshire Cat, and the caterpillar. They're just not represented enough in my opinion. So I made a gusseted pocket back here, and if you can tell, I made my signatures where they were scooched over a little bit further this way than to this way, if that makes any sense. Like there is more room at the back of this than there is the front, because I wanted to make this pocket so she can store whatever she wants to inside of this. But as of right now, it is full of goodies. I put in a whole bunch of stickers for her to decorate herself and make this personalized, something that she will just love and cherish. So I definitely wanted to leave room for her own creativity in this book, and I hope I accomplished that. I hope that she likes it. It has two clothes off there at their tea party. There we go. I think it is so pretty. I love, love, love this cover. I'm going to definitely use that paper pack for another one. I need to make another one because we have a Alice in Wonderland journaling class coming up soon, and I want a big journal to have on display at that one. So I need to quickly make another one right after this one. But I needed to get this sent off where she can give this to her granddaughter, and I'm so excited for her to get this. And to my aunt, thank you so much for letting me have the opportunity to make this for your granddaughter. It was so special to think of her and you as I created this, and I hope that you enjoy it. And I thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one really soon. Bye.